Hello, this is Prishani from Tech Basics. Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we will learn about how to log into lawgiri.com. First of all, I'd like to tell you a little bit about Law Giri. Law Giri is for legal education for law entrance exams like CLAT, AILET, etc. So let's dive into the video. The first step is to open up your browser. Now click on URL and type in Law Giri. Now click on the first link. This is the homepage of the lawgiri.com. Here you can find different courses or mock tests. Now to log in, click on Enroll Now. Now on the navigation bar, you can see the options Sign In and Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can click on the Sign In, and if you are new here, you can click on the Sign Up option. Since I already have an account, I'm clicking on Sign In. Now enter your email. Now enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and recover it. And if you want to explore the Law Giri page, you can explore it without signing in. You have to click on this link. Now to sign in, click on the Sign In. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.